Billionaire investor Ray Dalio is no longer in control of Bridgewater Associates, officially stepping down today after transferring voting rights Friday. Dalio also making another pivot today, changing his mind on cash, saying in a string of tweets, cash is not trash anymore. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré. And Ines, we're talking about this pivot because for so long on his end, the argument has been that, especially in an inflationary environment, the cash you hold is going to be worth less.
Exactly. And that's what investors have been talking about since we saw inflation rising. And basically, Ray Dalio has for a long time, as you said, Akiko said that, look, you want to not be in cash. You want to have a diversified portfolio. He famously said that back in 2020. And now this is a big U-turn. And as you said, saying the facts have changed. I've changed my mind about cash as an asset. I no longer think cash is trash. And he said, at existing interest rates and with the Fed shrinking the balance sheet, it is now about neutral, neither a very good or a very bad deal. So in other words, the short-term interest rate is now about right. Look, as investors understand that rising rates that rates are rising, this basically is punishing the borrowers. So rising rates punishes borrowers and rising rates reward savers. So now if you are in cash, it also depends on your time horizon. I mean, I wrote a whole piece on this on Yahoo Finance about how much cash should investors have. And there's a little bit of a discrepancy among strategists about how much investors should have. But the bottom line is that as you're seeing asset prices coming down, as interest rates are going up, asset prices are coming down. So having dry powder on the side is
really quickly, though, it feels like a lot of analysts are saying, though, that it's not a bad idea to be holding cash in this environment. And we're two-day rally aside, It hasn't been good for those who've been holding some of these equity assets.
No, exactly. As we are seeing, this is a bear market rally that we're seeing right now. But if asset prices continue to go down, you will want to have cash on the side because you will want to be able to buy those assets at cheaper prices.
Okay. Today, a lot of people may be saying, well, maybe it's time to buy into the market. Ines Ferré, thanks so much for that.